Alright, so I need to find the true shape of this surface here, the cut. Okay, one of the ways we could do this is just go look at it perpendicularly. So I need to find my heights. Now I'm going to draw my true shape that is going to be touching my shape here. It's not like the example in the book now. I'm just going to make it touch the shape because I'm limited to room over this side of the page. It's very important that you acknowledge that, because if it's up a bit, it needs to be, you need to have your compass points from a certain point, from the right point. So for E and C, I'm going to measure down to C from E. Get my D line. My B. And A. So again, we can label these. And we're going to draw a shape. Now it will look a bit weird. It won't look like a sectagon, just for the fact that it's cut and it's oblong. Okay, it looks like an elongated one. Alright, so just be aware of that when you do it. So we have our true shape, we have everything else we need. Now I'm going to start the actual development. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a development along this line here. Okay, so the first point, you can do any distance out here. Okay, I'm going to keep it nice and close to my shape, just so it doesn't run off the page. First point I'm going to do is I'm going to do A. Okay, just makes life a bit easier. I can understand it a bit better. Now A, with these points, you need to go up a certain height. So if I bring over A, here's the A. If I find A over here, bring over that height. There's A for me already. Okay. What I'm doing then is I want to go A to B. So I'm going to get my way to B in my plan. Put on A. And I'm going to draw a vertical line on that. Now once you have that, you can go back and you need your height. So we go back to B. We go up, see what's like here, and we know that B is there. So I'm going to project over my line. And there's B. Okay, so again, doing the same thing. Repetitive enough, this question is. It's always good to make sure you have your measurement, even just in case your compass measurement switches when you put it down. Because it's always going to be the same measurements, because it's equal sides. You can either just go across 35 either. I have to do it one at a time so I can understand it a bit better. So B, and we're going for C next. So C is up here. Number 35. Need D next, so D is the highest. speed it up a bit for yourselves. D, E, F, and then we're going back to A there. Okay, so let me go E, bring over E here. F, bring over F. And then A is there. We can put A if you want. Okay, you'll still get, if you don't put it, you still get the marks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to join my shape now. I want to just do it in light lines first, just so I can visualize it a bit better. We do not want to do heavy lines because we have to incorporate fold lines here. So these are all going to be light lines. Now, in the book, the example, they have your fold shape going here. So I'm going to put it there. Okay, I'm just going to copy the book. Down here, we're doing a normal hexagon. Make our heavy lines. We need to make our fold line for the bottom. I'm just going to rub out the XY line here. Just put in dashes. Just like that. Now we're going to start the elongated hexagons. Okay, so that's going to be up here. So again, what we can do is we just go perpendicular to this line. And you just need to find your own. You can just swing a compass like that. From both points it should equal up because it's an equal hexagon. I'm going to do this a bit heavy. That's my fold line there, and then you can just finish off my outer line of the development. There's our finished drawing. So again, difficult parts of this drawing was finding our true shape of the cut, and then finding our levels at different heights. So again, it's very important to label all these parts. Extremely important. No matter how good you get at it, you should always be labeling your parts and doing them individually, one by one. So A is there, get the height of A is there, blah blah blah. B is there, get your width, get your height. B is there. Doing them one at a time, label them one at a time, finding that way. Then you're bringing over your true shape of this cut over here, and determining your different heights and all that there.